Hello and welcome back everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel Student Mate. And inside of today's video, we are gonna be discussing about the revenue that I'm generating from YouTube itself as a content creator, making some educational blog, educational video. And inside of today's video, I will be showing you exactly how much amount of money I'm making inside of my YouTube channel by making some educational video. As you guys can see, there is my YouTube name Student Notemate, and I make educational video regarding some summary of the courses available here in Nepal. I am basically from Nepal, and the earning that I'm gonna be showing you will be based particularly on my own country Nepal, because I have created this video in Nepali language. So the geographic condition of the channel also affects the earning of the YouTube video. So keep in mind that if you guys are from developed country like USA, Australia, Japan, Canada, like that country, then if your views are coming from over such a developed country, then your revenue might be a little bit higher, or it might be higher than mine, because in higher developed country, their CPM of that developed country is very high. So in order to increase your CPM, your audience must be from another geographic or more developed country compared to my audience. Most of my audience are from Nepal, so I will be elaborating the revenue that I'm getting from this YouTube channel as a content creator from Nepal. So many of you guys were asking me how much revenue does a YouTube channel earn from uh, uh, educational video. So inside of today's video, you will be getting the information. First of all, I would like to say my at first, when I started this YouTube channel, my intention was not to earn money, but in order to help others in their studies. So I created my video, and for some reason my video also got some views compared to what I thought that I will be getting. So I'm so much happy to share this information with you guys. So before, if you want to earn YouTube revenue, you guys must focus on your videos before focusing on your revenue. I like to say that. So let me show you my earning. You can see in over here the channel analytics. I currently have 1515 subscriber, which grew 212 in last 28 days. So this is just basically the summary of my last 28 days. So below this you can see there is the summary of views, watch time, and estimated ad revenue. And you guys can see I earned 19,000 views in last past 28 days, and I got 1.2k watch hour, 1200 watch hour in my YouTube videos. And by this much amount of views and this much amount of watch time, I managed to collect $3.36 in my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna be showing you how much money I'm making per video. So let's go to the analytics page, and then I will go to the revenue bar over here. And it might take some time to load because my connection is a little bit slow. And here you guys can see I am going to revenue. You guys can see my channel R CPM is $0.60. If you guys don't know what CPM means, CPM basically means how much money YouTube is paying you per 1000 video. You guys can see YouTube pays ad not YouTube pays, the advertiser who are advertising their products in YouTube, they pay $0.60 per 1000 views that I get in my YouTube channel. But CPM is not the real amount of money that you will be getting from the YouTube, because if you are YouTuber, you guys might know that YouTube take, I think, around 45% of the revenue that you generate from the video, and the rest 55% is your, I believe the number might be a little bit different, but YouTube take about 45% of the ad revenue. So 0.60 dollar is not the actual amount of money that I will be getting in my YouTube channel per 1000 video. So the RPM here shows $0.18. RPM is the currency, that amount that you get per 1000 video. For example, if my video get 1000 views in my one of my videos, then that video will be eligible to get $0.18 per 1000 video. You guys can see I have a total revenue of $3.36. I'm gonna be showing you all the amount that I received. So on July 28 I got $0.08, and on July 29 $0.03. It is just basically fluctuating. And this peak over here on 5th of July, one I got $1.41, because I was trying some super chat feature in YouTube channel, which was just available for me on 5th of August, and I enabled it, and I gave super chat to myself. So that's why this peak over here has gone so high. So this is not my actual revenue, so you guys might want to neglect this. And basically the amount I'm getting is between 0.1 to 0.10. That much amount of money I'm getting from the YouTube. And here you guys can see my money just got increased drastically over here by not a huge amount but a little bit amount. In 13th August I managed to get 0.33, and in 14th August I managed to get 0.66. So in this period of time I got a little higher amount of views compared to this previous one. So that's why there is a peak over here. And you guys can see the revenue then went back to the normal as usual. And I have just uploaded one video on 20th of August, and that video made me 0.08, including that video, and other previous video made me $0.08. Now let's check one individual video, and in that particular video how much money I made. So I'm gonna be going to the highest amount of the money that I earned. So in this video I tried that super chat feature that I explained you earlier. So I'm not gonna be opening this one, but in this one I haven't tried any new feature or something like that. And this video is just I got the money from this video by just the advertisement that played on my YouTube channel. So now let's click on this video, and let's see how this video has performed in the past couple of days. And you guys might know, let's see. You guys can see this is the data that have been shown since this video was published. So since this video got published, I got a 7.4k video, which is 7400 video, and this video managed to get 483 hours of watch time in total. And subscriber this video gained was 54 subscriber, and the estimated revenue is 0.47. So you can calculate how much money I'm making per 1000 video, or I will be showing you. Let's go to the revenue. I can show you the RPM. So RPM is the total amount of money that you get per 1000 video. So for example, if this video again gains 1000 video in couple of days, then by this rate $0.06, I will be earning some money from this YouTube. So the RPM basically means the amount of money that you get per 1000 videos. So I hope I got to clear everything about the money, and how much money I'm making from the YouTube channel. So I just started my YouTube journey as to help others to understand some summary of the lesson, but in doing so I managed to get my YouTube channel monetized, and by that I am earning some amount back. As per my effort, I'm getting something back, so that's a good news for me. So I hope I managed to share the information how much money does a YouTube content creator from Nepal makes money by making educational video. And if you guys do have some comments or any queries, then you guys can leave your comment in the comment section. So that's all for today. I will be seeing you next time. And if you guys are new, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to help me grow even more. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone for watching this video till the end. Have a good day everyone.